This that jam that you bumping in the car on the radio. Friends so disgusted, wonder how the hell they play it. Though secretly you know they're gonna save it to their playlist. Dance to it and learn and claim they hate it. Hate to be the one to say I like when
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby.
Rise from the bathroom, so I'm gonna dry my hair and then having my breakfast, which is bread and then I think roll cake. My phone is charging, so I can actually record everything, and I'm going to have a class which is at 8 a.m. Okay, so update. I am playing piano, which is keyboard. Yeah, keyboard. Practicing piano.
Apa masalah-masalah
this that jam that you bumping in the car on the radio. Friends so disgusted, wonder how the hell they play it. Though secretly you know they're gonna say
Good morning. So it has been raining since yesterday, the night before, till now. It's still raining heavily. Actually, I had a plan with my friends to have a morning jog, but I think she hasn't awakened yet and it's raining, so I don't think we can proceed to it. And by the way, today is vegetarian day, so ignore my bare face. It's 6 in the morning. Bye.
Make life so blurry. Just
just wanna talk to you. I just wanna talk to you. I just wanna talk to you. I just wanna talk to you.
So I'm planning to buy breakfast and snacking for the afternoon. See ya.
You got my head spinning. Is this just the beginning of the end? Oh, and now I'm just wishing that all my ambitions were misled. Whoa, we ain't got no liquor, need some place to start. Shit, baby, I'm trying too hard. Yeah, 'cause I just wanna talk to you. I just wanna talk to you.
Delivery just came. It's on delayed. It's a salad bowl, so make your own bowl from good food. What is that? Good habit. Then I'm doing presentations. Good luck. Good luck. This is mixed ube, mixed six and nuts. Is it almond? Yeah. And this is edamame, spicy edamame. This is baby potatoes. It is what is that? Earlier. Let's see. Okay, Gargano peanut sauce. Yeah. And I think that's all. This is grilled chicken, boneless chicken. Delicious.
Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby.
Hi everyone, it's 4 a.m. in the morning and I had a class at 4:30 and it's actually recorded, but I prefer live lecture and it just challenged me to wake up early. So yeah, fighting, and I hope you stay safe, stay sane, happy and healthy. Bye bye.
So what we really want you to be thinking as you move out of this subject is acknowledging that you do have competitive.
I have 1.5 hours before my next tutorials and I think I will have a morning job. It's so fresh and let's go.
Was listening before they were famous. Ain't it funny all the years you gotta put into the struggle, and it's just so you can try to entertain us. Waiting for them summertime sick radio hits when we bounce with our friends like this. Hit the beach with the sun on our back and the tunes all lit. Grateful to this, how we live. Time and money just to hear it at a festival. Play it in the car at a party, show your friends it's the best of all. Get the aux scored out the way, you know what's getting played. Hit the play I spin every day, and they made a radio song knowing that we'll sing along when we hear it on. They made a radio song knowing that we'll sing along, we'll sing along.
Dinner. Itadakimasu. Bon appetit. What's in Korean? Google Translate really helped me. 맛있게 먹어. Itadakimasu. Selamat makan.
Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start.
Good morning. It's 6:30 in the morning, and I'm planning to ride my bicycle because it's so refreshing there. And I thought of buying porridge for me and my grandma's breakfast. And I'm not gonna be recording because it's charging, dude. So yeah, see ya.
This that jam that you bumping in the car on the radio. Friends so disgusted, wonder how the hell they play it. Though secretly you know they're gonna save it to their playlist. Dance to it alone and claim they hate it. Later be the one to say I like when they were nameless. Like I was listening before they were famous. Ain't it funny all the years you gotta put into the struggle, and it's just so...
Vlog. So today my friends coming here. Now I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I never ask for more than your tuition. So that is all for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down any kind of topics or just some random comments. And I hope you stay safe, happy, healthy, and sane. See ya!